आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
So here we have a very interesting question at both quick car rental and speedy car rental. Now quick car rental is given in this graph by Q and speedy car rental is given in this graph by S, right? The cost in dollars of renting a full sized car depends on a fixed daily rental fee and a fixed charge per mile that the car is driven. However, the daily rental fee and the charge per mile are not same for the two companies. That means there is a fixed daily rental fee. That means you have to pay a fixed price when you rent the car immediately, and apart from that, for every mile you drive, you are going to pay some amount, right? Now, in the graph below, Q represents the total cost of quick car rental and S represents the total cost of speedy car rental, just like I said. Now, if you rent a full size car from quick car rental for 1 day, so you're renting it for 1 day, how much more would the total rental cost if you drove the car 78 miles than if you drove the car 77 miles? Now 77 miles and 78 miles, 78 miles is more than 77 miles by only 1 mile, right? So you see, you have to find the change in the cost of the rental per 1 mile that is driven by the car, right? And if you can relate, this is somehow or some way the qualitative definition of the slope for the line of the quick car rental. Okay, so that's what we are going to do. We are simply going to find out the slope for this particular line given by Q. So if you are going to read the graph, then it might not be accurately possible for you to read it. So what we are going to do is we are going to take the two extreme points, because these are the points that you can say or you can determine with surety. Okay, so 100, 55 and 0, 15. So we are going to find out the slope using the formula y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Okay, so y2 minus y1 is 55 minus 15 by 100 minus 0. So that is 40 by 100 or 0.40, right? So for every 1 mile so driven by this car of quick car rental, you have to pay $0.4, right? So how much more would it take the total rental cost if you drove the car 78 miles than if you drove 77 miles? It will be $0.4. So option D is a correct answer.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, जेईई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।